Did you know that the seemingly harmless foods you consume every day could be silently wreaking havoc on your kidneys? It's true, your dietary choices play a crucial role in maintaining kidney health, and many common foods can contribute to kidney damage without you even realizing it. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, is a growing concern worldwide, affecting millions and posing significant health risks. While factors like diabetes, high blood pressure, and genetics are well-known contributors to kidney disease, the impact of diet is often overlooked. Consider this: your kidneys are responsible for filtering waste and excess fluids from your blood, regulating electrolyte levels, and producing hormones that control blood pressure and red blood cell production. When your kidneys are damaged, these vital functions are compromised, leading to a range of health issues. One of the primary culprits behind kidney damage is proteinuria, a condition characterized by the presence of excessive protein in the urine. Proteinuria is not only a marker of kidney dysfunction but also a significant risk factor for the progression of kidney disease. Let's delve into the numbers. According to the National Kidney Foundation, over 37 million American adults are estimated to have chronic kidney disease, CKD, with millions more at risk due to undiagnosed conditions or unhealthy lifestyles. Globally, CKD affects approximately 10% of the population, making it a widespread and pressing public health issue. However, many cases of kidney disease are preventable, and diet plays a crucial role in both prevention and management. By understanding which foods to avoid and making smarter dietary choices, you can significantly reduce your risk of kidney damage and protect your long-term health. In today's eye-opening discussion, we'll unveil the top 6 dangerous foods that can increase proteinuria and wreak havoc on your kidneys. Each food on this list may seem harmless, but their cumulative effects can be detrimental to kidney health. Stay tuned to discover how these foods impact your kidneys and learn practical tips for making healthier choices. Before we dive into the specifics, let me share a personal story from Jane, a kidney disease patient who experienced the consequences of poor dietary habits firsthand. I never realized the impact of my diet on my kidney health until it was almost too late. Making simple changes to my eating habits has made a world of difference in my overall well-being. So, join us on this journey to better kidney health as we uncover the truth about the foods that could be silently damaging your kidneys. Remember, your kidneys are invaluable, and taking proactive steps to protect them is essential for your long-term health and vitality. Oh, and can you do us a favor? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more health tips and updates. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Okay, let's get started. 1. Processed meats. Are you aware that those delicious slices of bacon or that savory sausage could be silently sabotaging your kidney health? It's true, processed meats, including bacon, ham, sausages, and hot dogs, may seem harmless, but their impact on your kidneys can be significant. These meats are loaded with sodium and preservatives like phosphates, which can wreak havoc on your kidneys in multiple ways. High sodium intake is notorious for causing elevated blood pressure, a leading risk factor for kidney damage. As your blood pressure rises, your kidneys are forced to work harder to filter out toxins, putting a strain on these vital organs. But that's not all. The preservatives found in processed meats, such as phosphates, can also contribute to kidney damage over time. Constant exposure to phosphates can lead to mineral imbalances in the body, disrupting the delicate balance of calcium and phosphorus. This imbalance not only affects bone health but also places additional stress on the kidneys, impairing their ability to function properly. Furthermore, processed meats contain advanced glycation end products, AGEs, compounds formed during high-temperature cooking methods like grilling or frying. These AGEs promote inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, exacerbating kidney damage and accelerating the progression of kidney disease. The cumulative effect of these harmful substances can lead to nephron damage, the functional units of the kidney responsible for filtering waste products from the blood. As nephron damage worsens, kidney function declines, leading to increased proteinuria, a condition characterized by excessive protein in the urine. 2. Dairy products. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are often praised for their rich calcium and protein content. However, they can pose significant risks for individuals with kidney issues. Let's take a closer look at why these seemingly wholesome foods may not be as kidney-friendly as they appear. Firstly, the high protein content in dairy products can be problematic for those with compromised kidney function. Excessive protein consumption can lead to elevated levels of urea in the blood, a condition known as uremia. Symptoms of uremia include fatigue, headache, and nausea, indicating an overload of waste products that the kidneys are unable to filter out effectively. Additionally, dairy products are notorious for their high phosphorus content, another mineral that can spell trouble for kidney health. When kidney function declines, phosphorus levels in the blood can rise unchecked, leading to a host of complications. Accumulated phosphorus can contribute to bone pain and weaken bone density, increasing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Moreover, elevated phosphorus levels have been linked to cardiovascular disease, as excess phosphorus can promote calcification of blood vessels and impair cardiovascular function. It's essential for individuals with kidney issues to strike a delicate balance when it comes to consuming dairy products. While dairy can provide valuable nutrients like calcium and protein, moderation is key to avoiding potential harm. Consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian is advisable to develop a personalized dietary plan that meets your nutritional needs while minimizing the risks to your kidney health. 3. Canned vegetables. Convenience often comes at a cost, and canned vegetables are no exception. While they may seem like a convenient and healthy option, canned vegetables can pack a surprising punch when it comes to sodium content and harmful additives, posing potential risks to kidney health. One of the primary concerns with canned vegetables is their high sodium content. Sodium is commonly used as a preservative to extend shelf life, but excessive sodium intake can have detrimental effects on kidney function. High sodium levels can raise blood pressure, forcing the kidneys to work harder to eliminate excess sodium from the body. Over time, this increased workload can strain the kidneys and contribute to the progression of kidney disease. But sodium isn't the only culprit lurking in canned vegetables. Many canned varieties also contain added sugars and other harmful additives, further compromising their nutritional value. These additives can contribute to overall health degradation, exacerbating existing kidney issues and increasing the risk of complications. To minimize the negative impact of canned vegetables on kidney health, consider opting for fresh or frozen alternatives whenever possible. Fresh and frozen vegetables typically have lower sodium content and fewer additives, making them a healthier choice for those looking to support their kidney function. If you find yourself reaching for canned vegetables out of convenience, take steps to reduce their sodium content before consumption. Thoroughly rinsing canned vegetables under water can remove up to 40% of the sodium content, making them a slightly healthier option. However, keep in mind that even rinsing may not completely eliminate the harmful effects of sodium and additives, so moderation is key. 4. Whole wheat bread. Whole wheat bread is often praised for its high fiber content, which is essential for maintaining digestive health and promoting overall well-being. However, for individuals with kidney disease, the nutritional profile of whole wheat bread presents unique challenges that must be carefully managed to protect kidney health. Unlike white bread, whole wheat bread contains higher levels of potassium and phosphorus, two minerals that can significantly impact kidney function. While these minerals are crucial for various bodily functions, including nerve function and bone health, excessive levels can pose risks for those with compromised kidney function. High phosphorus levels in the blood can increase the risk of heart disease and bone issues, as excess phosphorus can interfere with calcium absorption and lead to mineral imbalances. This imbalance can weaken bone density and contribute to cardiovascular complications, further exacerbating the challenges faced by individuals with kidney disease. Similarly, elevated potassium levels can be problematic, potentially leading to hyperkalemia, a condition characterized by excessively high levels of potassium in the blood. Hyperkalemia can cause muscle weakness, fatigue, and even life-threatening cardiac arrhythmias. For individuals with kidney disease, whose kidneys may struggle to regulate potassium levels effectively, monitoring potassium intake is crucial to prevent complications. While whole wheat bread undoubtedly offers valuable dietary fiber and nutrients, individuals with kidney disease must approach its consumption with caution. Moderation is key, and it may be advisable to limit or monitor intake to avoid excessive potassium and phosphorus levels. 5. Bananas. Bananas, known for their natural sweetness and convenient packaging, are often celebrated as a nutritious snack rich in essential nutrients. However, for individuals with compromised kidney function, the potassium content in bananas can pose a significant health risk. Potassium is a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including nerve function and blood pressure regulation. Bananas are particularly rich in potassium, with a medium-sized banana containing approximately 422 milligrams of this nutrient. While potassium is generally beneficial for most people, excessive intake can be dangerous for those with kidney disease. For individuals with compromised kidney function, the kidneys may struggle to regulate potassium levels effectively, leading to hyperkalemia. Hyperkalemia is characterized by excessively high levels of potassium in the blood, which can have serious implications for heart health and overall well-being. Symptoms of hyperkalemia can range from mild to severe and may include muscle weakness, fatigue, and irregular heart rhythms. Given the potential risks associated with high potassium intake, individuals with kidney disease are advised to exercise caution when consuming potassium-rich foods like bananas. Instead, consider opting for low-potassium fruits such as apples, berries, or grapes, which offer similar nutritional benefits without the risk of exacerbating potassium levels. 6. Potatoes and tomatoes. Potatoes and tomatoes, beloved staples in countless diets, add versatility and flavor to a wide range of dishes. However, for individuals with kidney disease, these seemingly harmless vegetables can pose significant challenges due to their high potassium content. Potassium is a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including nerve function and muscle contraction. While potassium is essential for overall health, excessive intake can be dangerous for individuals with compromised kidney function, leading to hyperkalemia. Consider this: a medium-sized potato contains approximately 900 milligrams of potassium, while a medium tomato contains about 290 milligrams. For individuals with kidney disease, these potassium levels can quickly add up and contribute to elevated potassium levels in the blood. To enjoy potatoes and tomatoes safely while managing potassium intake, individuals with kidney disease can employ a few simple strategies. When preparing potatoes, soaking slices in a mixture of water and vinegar or lemon juice can help reduce their potassium content. This acidic soak helps draw out potassium from the potatoes, making them safer to consume. Similarly, for tomatoes, peeling and de-sting them can lower their potassium levels, as most of the potassium in tomatoes resides in the skin and seeds. Removing these parts can significantly reduce the potassium content of the fruit. By taking these extra steps, individuals can enjoy the flavor and nutritional benefits of potatoes and tomatoes while minimizing the risk of hyperkalemia. In conclusion, recognizing the power of small dietary changes is crucial in safeguarding your kidney health. Have you discovered healthier alternatives that align with your dietary needs? If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.